No bird hunt. No bird hunt. Can't you understand? No hunt. No hunt. Quinn! What is he doing? I'm not ready for a bird hunt. How do you catch a bird? Come on, Quinn, you gotta run, run! No, it's gone. What's that sound? I'm running! Bail! Birdie. I didn't go to number 2. Treasure. Number 2. There's no way we're ever going to catch a bird. 3. Number 3. Birds. Okay. Number 3 birds. 3 birds. If we can't even catch one, how do you think we're going to catch 3? Hey, let's make a nest. Big enough nest for birds. We make a nest for the birds. But how do we make it on a tree? Unless we make it on the lowest branch, there's no way. Lowest branch. Let's do it. Make a big pile. We're going to make a nest with it and put it on top. And we're going to have a trap for this bird. I just hope it works. Nest. It's not going to work. Nest will work. We'll find a place to lay its eggs. Is it even egg season, Quinn? Yeah, come on. Yeah. Okay, just a minute. Tallest tree won't work. We have to put it on the lowest branch on this tree. Okay, let's start making a nest. I can reach it. Start making a nest, okay? First, you put it right here. No, we're putting it here. Yeah. How do birds even make nests? Like people make nests. Well, we don't make nests. Birds do. Well, we're not birds. Yeah. Birds make nests. We're not birds. No. How do you make nests like birds? That's perfect. I just hope the birds like it. Yeah. It's kind of pathetic. Yeah. What camera? There's no camera, dummy. No camera, not one at all.
Oh, look, my shadow.
Where's the shadow?
You're standing on it.
I'm killing you.
Oh.
Mommy, how did you get Daddy's iPod?
iPhone.
iPod, whatever.